it's Tracy, and I am back for the October Mini Kit Monday. And I mentioned at the end of my September kit that I was going to carry that forward, but I needed to add some more items to it because my fall selections are getting very thin, and I didn't have any 12 by 12 paper, so I needed to go ahead and get that. So let me show you what I pulled. So if you want to know the other papers that I have, just go back and look at it's probably called Killer Kit September 2018. But I'm pulling this striped paper. I know it has a lot of the blue and the oranges and the greens. I know that a lot of my embellishments have those. So I pulled this one as well as this one. It is called Apple Banner. It is by Photo Play. I don't really like this. To me, this is too busy, but I will definitely be using this. And then, of course, sorry, I must have these all at an angle. This is kind of cool. So it's like a totally up-close ledger paper, and I really like that. The colors are definitely scream fall to me. And then this one, my word, this one's called Authentique, does it have balanced paper, and it's kind of a cranberry color with a, I don't know, like a pink color. And then I could use this as more of a matte, but once again, I don't like this busy of a pattern for myself. Alright, so that is it for the paper. So I'm going to show you the embellishments that I pulled. They will go along with the paper that I already have, like I've mentioned. Well, here's some more paper. I pulled some 6x6. I pulled some kind of a gray color. It's kind of a brownish gray. And then this is a lawn fawn. I've had this one for a long time. So hopefully I can get that one used up. And then I have some scraps here, and these are just a mix of all kinds of stuff. You know, when I put things away a year later, I look at them like, oh yeah, look, it's all new again. That's the one nice thing about, you know, when you put things away, because I found some things this morning that I haven't seen in probably 9 months to a year, and I'm like, oh my gosh, this is fun. So anyway, so here are some more papers, and this really bright orange paper. And so this is all my scraps. We'll see, you know, how I may end up throwing some of this away. Got to get better about that. I tell myself that, but you know how that goes. And then as for embellishments, of course I have this paper. This is October Afternoon, and I don't usually use these. I've mentioned this before. Sometimes I do, but it has the acorns on the back. And then this is the embellishments that I pulled out. Those leaves, they're in there. The static has got them. And this is an Avery L bag. I usually put my stamps in there, but I saw somebody, maybe it was Janet on RTS, she probably used that. So I'm going to try to use that to keep some of my embellishments, because my little Freckle Fawn bag is kind of full. So I'll just go through these quickly, some of the things I pulled out. I may cut out some more. This is a cut file. I may cut out more of these leaves because I really enjoyed, you know, using those last year. All right, this is probably Ooh La La Latte. All right. This would be, I could do that as a tag. It says hello. Here's some wood veneer. I got that at Target. And I've got some cork that I cut out. And I did these last year. Maybe I did these 2 years ago. I'm trying to remember. But these are balsa wood that I cut out with my die cut machine. And then I colored them. I may need to work on this one, but these are like watercolor. They turned out really cool. It's an itty bitty heart of cork. And then this is the balsa wood box. I just have a few of these left. I'm surprised I've used them, but I keep them in here because I use them every year. I'll be glad to kind of use these up. Now, if I don't use the embellishments, of course, I'll keep these unless I'm, well, no, I'll just keep them because I know eventually I'll use them. And then this bag. And then I have this large piece right here. This is what I got in my Pay It Forward box. And this is very, very dated. I remember buying stuff like this, but I wanted to try to use this this year in my fall kits or my fall pages. So let's see how this goes. All right, well, this is it. There are 5 Mondays for the month of October. This will be week 1. The layouts will start on week 2. I will have 4 layouts for sure. I don't know if I'll have a bonus one because I've been doing 4 layouts for the month as it is, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. I don't anticipate using the same kit for November. I know I'll be tired of it by then. I'll probably start getting ready for doing my older Christmas photos. So that's probably what I'll do for November and December. Alright guys, thank you, and make sure you check out the other ladies. There's Becky, Daisy, Dollie, Kathy, and JoJo. So yeah, make sure you check out. I'll leave their links below to their channels, and that way you can see how all of us are doing. Alright, you guys have a great day. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.